I am a big fan of the right-click menu in the Autodesk products. Now this pertains to most of the AutoCAD-based programs like AutoCAD, Civil 3D, Map 3D, Architectural, etc. You can select an object, and in the right-click, there's so many different options that you can do, which is really great. However, if I want to deselect something, I have to hit the Escape key. Well, what I did is, in my Quick Access bar, I added a button for Deselect All, which is the same as the Escape key. So I can simply come up to my Quick Access bar and deselect all. Let me show you how I did that. First, I'm going to remove it from the Quick Access bar. And then I'm going to go on this drop down here and more commands. I'm going to search for deselect. I have two choices. One is AutoCAD-based and one is Civil 3D-based. And since I'm working in Civil 3D, I would simply click and drag my Civil 3D, deselect all, and bring it up here to the toolbar and close. So now I can select an object and I can deselect all. Or I can start drawing a line. Now in the line command, I do have a cancel in my right-click menu, but my deselect all works as well. So this was a quick tip on how you can incorporate the Escape key into your overall menus when you realize that the deselect all acts the same as the Escape key. Thank you very much.